How to book hotels using Accor points. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can redeem your points on Accor. So the very first thing that you want to do is to head straight into group.accor.com's official site, which is going to be the one that is showing on your screen. Now from here, just simply click this option here that says book now, and then you will be redirected into all Accor. From here, just simply click this option. It says loyalty program, and then choose on earn and redeem points. Now in the next tab, you just have to scroll down here, and this is where you can earn those points. So once any options that you can go, so for example, you book anywhere in these options here, you will automatically be given out certain amount of points. To redeem that, switch it into redeem, and then these are the available options where you can go ahead and redeem the points of your Accor. And that's it. That is how you book a hotel using your Accor points.